How to delete Facebook pixel. I am going to tell you how to delete Facebook pixel. Or is it actually possible? You can't fully delete a Facebook pixel, but you can remove it from your website and disconnect it from ad accounts or partners in Facebook Business Manager. First, access your website's backend and locate the header section where the pixel code is placed. Delete the base pixel code from the header and remove any additional tracking codes on individual pages. Next, head to Facebook's Events Manager, select the pixel, and go to Settings. Under Assets, find Connected Ad Accounts and remove them. You can also disconnect any associated partners and revoke access from people managing the pixel. While the pixel remains in your Events Manager, removing it from your website and ad accounts stop it from tracking data. If you no longer want to use it, renaming the pixels can help you distinguish inactive ones.